Hi all, I am Prisha Date and I am studying in 6th standard. Today I will be taking you to the world full of Möbius strips, where the world is full of twists and turns. Möbius strip can be any band that has an odd number of half twists, which ultimately cause the strip to have only one side and one edge. Ever since its discovery, one-sided strip has served as a fascination for artists and mathematicians. The surface is formed by taking a flat rectangular strip, twisting one end into 180 degree and attaching it to the other end. This surface only has one side, whereas the other surfaces, like a loop, has two sides, front and back. It is also called as twisted cylinder. It is the simplest non-orientable surface. The Möbius strip is named after the German mathematician and theoretical astronomer August Ferdinand Möbius. Möbius strips are used in mathematics, topological study, and real-time applications such as conveyor belts, mechanical belts, wear even on both sides, cassette tape ribbons, printer, typewriter ribbons, also in fashion industries, roller coasters. We can also see the reference of Möbius strips in various logos such as the recycling symbol, Google Drive logo, IMPA logo on stamp, the NASCAR logo. Practical, I have used some papers, scissors and a tape. So, I have a rectangular strip. So if I just attach it like this, it will become a normal loop. But if I attach it with a single twist, it will be a strip. So in the normal loop, when we start from the outside, we come back to our original position outside. But in the Möbius strip, when we start from outside, we end up going inside, and after a full rotation, even when we come back to our starting point, we get the inverted image. We get amazing results when we start cutting the normal loop and the Möbius loop from its center line. So after cutting the normal loop, we saw that we got two different rings. Now let's check with the Möbius strip. So as you can see, after cutting the Möbius strip, we got a big single Möbius loop. So here, as you can see, I have two normal loops attached to each other at 90-degree angle. And here I have two Möbius loops, each twisted at anti-clockwise and other twisted like clockwise. So now let's check the results after cutting them. So now as you can see here, we got two rings attached to one rectangular big. Check after cutting it from the center line. We got a square shape after cutting the two normal loops. Now let's check after cutting the Möbius loops. We got two entangled hearts. So here there is a big model of Möbius strip. This is the Klein bottle which I have made. This is an example which when two Möbius strips are attached together forms a Klein bottle. The bottle goes inside from here and the neck of the bottle penetrates into its own body without even touching it. Opened intersected model of the Klein bottle which gives you an basic idea. These were the twists and turns of Möbius strip. Thank you.